Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, let's see what is up on GitHub. Yeah. Okay, do we have any comments at CI for Generals in 0 Hour? Okay, that's nice. We have already comments on this one. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. General Kamo. Not a fan of introducing inconsistency like this. Recommend renaming all of these to avoid any kind of conflict with a similarly named macro. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not great. We can make them all lowercase. We can make them all lowercase. Well, let's say we can all make them Pascal case, maybe. So have AI's sleep, AI passive. You can make them all Pascal case, maybe. I'm not too keen on the Saga thing. I'm not too fond of the Sage prefix unless there is precedence for it anywhere else in this code. Too fond. Let me cherry pick this one because we need to do that. Let me also let me say edit obsoleted, or let's say there's actually a hide button here. Hide. Outdated, hide comments. And then we go here, edit. To do fix debug at C++17. Tests VS6 multiplayer. Tests VS2022 build multiplayer. In multiplayer. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's get to work here. So let me see. I think we need to add a new remote, manage, plus def, hold on, plus def genius code. Load, oops, browse, there we go. Oof, why is it here? Data, there we go. There we go. All right, save changes. Okay, that doesn't work. Def genius code. Oh, you push to. Okay. He pushed to my change. What? What did he do? Where did he push? What is this? Wants to merge one commit. Ah, he opened. Ah, okay, hold on. Now I see. Okay, here his remote is called differently. Hold on, manage. So he has forked from this one. All right, def genius code. There we go, browse. There we go. All right. Cool. Fix debug. Yeah. Okay, so what we can do is vector.h. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. So what we do is we cherry pick this one, cherry pick this commit, and then Got that, yep. Good. And then we can... Oh, looks like here's some indentation error. Yeah. Let's unstage these guys. Okay, so here we have to change the indentation. There we go. Let's look at this once more. Memory poor. Okay, I'm not a fan of this one here. We should assign this here and then remove that. There we go. This one is fine. This one is also fine. Yeah. This one is also fine. And fine, yeah. This one is wrong indentation. And this one should be assigned here. There we go. This one as well. All right. Hold on. Still not quite right. There we go. Right, next one. Here the indentation is not right again. J0, okay. And static int. Yeah. Yeah. That looks good. Are these all? Hold on, here's more. Int, yeah, static int mode. Yeah. Int test index. Let's change that. I would like to have that moved down here, please. Initialize with 1. There we go. There we go. Yep. Same here. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah, that looks Good now. Good, let's load that up. GitHub Copilot is now free. You already have it installed. Just sign in with your GitHub account and unlock AI-powered coding today. Oh, okay. Do we want to use GitHub Copilot? I never use GitHub Copilot. I'm afraid that it screws up something. My habits or so, I don't know. So far I've always programmed without AI in the IDE. Enable Copilot free. Let's see what happens. Oh, we need to do something here. Yeah, I'm not interested right now. I'll do it another time. No. No. Fine. Good. All right, then. So basically, what I realized yesterday was that I totally forgot testing debug. So there were a few outstanding things left to compile and fix that are only compiled in debug configuration. So that is now fully fixed, we will see. Looks like this was all caused by the type declaration scope issues. So what we will do is take these changes and make a fix up commit on this one. Fix type declaration. There we go. And let's wait. And it succeeded very well. Commit. There we go. Good, so we got that thing out of the way. Then the next one is a C++20. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, I didn't want to start that. Visual Studio Code. All right, so right now it's set to 17. Let's bump that up. And let's go. So let's there was a great idea posted by let me put the thumbs up here. So in the discussions tab, Omniblade and Helmut, they suggested to use a different approach where we use a using keyword to aid those vector changes, these ones here. So instead of using this colon colon on the variables, we use this kind of style here, which would dramatically decrease the code and the functions we would need to touch. It basically eliminate it. Yeah. So let's reset the vector.h. We go to vector.h. And then here at the top we put using there we go. And I think the name is vector max is allocated. But this will only work for variables. It's using active growth step. Let's see. Vector class using. Let's see. Problem is that won't help with. It will help with some things, but not all. Reload. So we're looking at vector. So the problem is we also have length. Length is part of vector class. Length. So if we put here using vector class t, vector class t length, would that work? Let's see. Error. Dynamic vector class. So this one refers to that one. Dynamic vector class. Does it have a length? Oof. Let's list functions first and then vector class t length. Let's see if that works. Error length. Okay, well, that looks like it doesn't belong there. Let's try it again. Yeah. Use of undefined type persist class. Okay. Okay, vector. Simple dyn vector. Simple vec class. Using, oh man, vector. Length. Length. Man, this will take forever. Oh man. Parameter list class. Vector. Dynamic vector class. Using vector. Doesn't exist. Why not? Because it's private. If it's public here, we should also make it public here, right? Yeah. It's kind of weird that there's double tap here, right? Yeah. Let's actually put another public here. Like so. Yeah. Man, this will take forever to set up. Head. Public. Using head. Vector max. Vector max. Using first. Current nodes. Current nodes. Yeah. Well, actually, I'm not so sure about the visibility. It's protected. Protected. Oof. Yeah, we should make it protected, actually. Wait, hold on. First. Yeah, that doesn't look right here. It probably should be protected. This first. Can be. Protected. Well, maybe it makes sense to first make it private and see if we still get compiled errors, and then we move it public or protected. Maybe that's a fair approach. Yeah, we first make it private. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's better. Oof. Maybe like so. Man, this will take forever. Persist class. Original heads. Oof. What is a part of them? Original head? Ah. Never mind then. Poor. What is this? Use of undefined type, persist class. Undefined type. Persist. Persist. Persist class. Ah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. I think, yeah, so we need to include persist here. Persist.h. I can remove the forward declaration. There we go. That should solve it. Remove current object. Remove current object. That is, who owns this? Multilist iterator. Multilist iterator. Yeah. This one. There we go. Okay, and here we need to remove this guy. There we go. Remove the function above here. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Control break. Control break. Okay. Oh man. Okay, we're making progress. Mesh geometry class. By the way, let me review what we did here. So this one we put in public. Let me. What do we want to do later? Let's do it now. DL destroy list class. So let's try to put that in private first. Yeah. First in private. This one looks good. This one is all private. This one is private vector. This one is public. Dynamic vector class. Dynamic vector class. Let's move these private for now. Parameter vector air. Yeah, okay, so far so good. Let's compile. Control break. Okay, vector max cannot access private memory. Okay, so it looks like we need to make it protected. This one. Yeah. We can move it down here and we make it protected. There we go. There we go. Vector is not accessible. All right, then make that protected too. Man, this would take forever. All right, set ref owner, new ref. What is this? Vertex count. Mesh memory class. This one refers to what? Mesh refers to Jesus Christ. Mesh. How? Oh, it's a completely different error. Okay. What is the error? What is the error? Count and message. Cannot convert argument 2 from const char to char. Huh? Huh? What? What is this new ref there? Set owner. My gosh, what is this? What? What? Add anyone, I think it would be good to add the internal, compile target to CMake before merging any compile fixes. Can anyone look into that? Okay, what is the problem here? Vertex count. Vertex count. Vertex count. Vertex count. I first need to understand what is going on here. Cannot convert argument 2 from this const char array to char pointer, where it should be const char, right? Why 107? This is not 107. This is 34. Unless it's concatenated with something else. Message. The hell is going on here? New ref. Let's look at this one more. One more time. Okay, there's also file and line. Maybe because of this one here? I'm curious what this guy does. The file doesn't seem to be referenced at all. What is file doing? It's just a sign, that's it? What is it doing anything? Okay, so maybe the problem is here that we have a const char here. And we need to put this here, const char. And then where's the file? File and const char. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's compile that. Cancel. All right, compute CRC. Oof. I think we just remove that thingy here. There we go. Length. Cannot access private member. Length. Okay, so I make it protected. Oh, cannot access. Okay, let me make it public. How about that? How about we make is allocated? We put that here, and the length, we make that public. Yeah. I think that actually makes a lot of sense. There we go. There we go. Mm-hmm. Initializing. That's fair. Const. Copy results. Copy results. Yeah, I think we just need to remove this thing here. Yeah. There you go. Simple enough. All right. Next. mdata. Okay, what is this guy? The Lerp animation channel class. Data. Data protected primitive animation channel class. All right. Yeah, so we are looking at protected using TMP data. Let's make it private for starters. Well, it must be private as a member, yeah. Yeah. Last index. Okay. So looking at last index. And key 1. Key class, undeclared identifier. Key class. Primitive animation channel class, key class. Okay. So we also need to say using key class. Right. Let's see. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Okay, this one, just remove that. Error X. Okay, what do we have here? T.2D X. Type def base class. Base class. Okay. By the way, using is correct. Yeah, using base class. So you say base class and then X, right? And Y. There we go. And it's private. Private. Or should it be public? I don't know. Public Z. Should probably be public. Yeah. Let's make this public. If the Z is public, then XY should be as well, right? All right, next. Okay, we're making progress here. It looks good. Basic timer class. Oh, that's a lot of monkey work. What's the time? 50 minutes. Let's do a half more hour or so. Basic timer class T value. What? Started. T timer class accumulated, started. What is that part of? Basic timer class. All right. Basic timer class. Using basic timer class. Using basic timer class. What was it started? Right, yeah. Started, there we go. And timer. Timer is a function. Timer. Anything else? Timer started. That seems to be it. Next. Remove that bad boy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Vector, vector, vector. Get callback. Get callback, vector. Vector. I think I won't be where we should be. Maybe someone else can do the transfer from 0 hour to generals, replicate the same fixes on generals. Yeah. Yeah. So it's just so much monkey work. Okay, vector. This is vector. What is the problem here? Simple dynvec class. Aha. Okay, so we make this protected, yeah? Protected. Yeah. Sorry. Protected. Started. CD timer class. Started timer. All right. Basic timer class using started timer. Okay. Error. All right. Vector, 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 protected, vector. What's the problem? Identifier not found. Identifier not found. Simple dynvec. What is the problem there? Huh? Does it mean... So I guess it means we have to do also this here. Okay. Using vector. Yeah. Active count. Delete. Let's see. Error. Oof, what is this? Cannot convert argument 2 from bool to const t pointer. Oof. How? Interesting. Interesting. So originally it allowed false to be used as a null, so to say. Interesting. Put a null there. Okay. Okay, this fix is easy here. I appreciate that. What is this? No overload function could convert all the argument types. Oh. What does it take? CP. The 0 here. Oof. Args 5. What is the error? Is it the 0 here at the end that it causes problem? No overloaded function could convert all the argument types. Convert to what? So here we have P line 0 object set ref owner. So C is a class and then P is the parameters argument list, and it does take a 0 here for the integer, so it should work. What am I missing here? What am I missing? So here it doesn't complain, and here neither. It's only this one. Bump texture mapper class. Is there something special about this guy? Texture mapper class. Mapper class. They all inherit some kind of mapper class. What is the problem there? Okay, that seems to be the last thing for WW3D2 to succeed, and then that would be done, that part at least. Oof. Bump env texture mapper class. I don't see what the problem is here. Set ref owner. Let's try to figure that out. No overloaded function could convert all argument types. Convert. Convert what? No instance of constructor matches the argument list. Any class const char int. Any class. Any class. No instance of constructor. Bump env texture mapper class. Okay, let's look at that. Ini. Well, it takes a reference. Huh? Takes a reference. What does this guy take? This one. It also takes a reference. Yeah. Yeah, any class as a reference const char 5 integer. Any class const char and then integer. Let's look at this one more time. Oh, here const. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, the constness. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's kind of sneaky. Yeah, it's a little bit sneaky. Yeah. Good. Okay, WW3D2 is good, but we got more, of course. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. IT. Unexpected token. IT. Huh? Oh, type name. Type name. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it should work. Syntax error. Yeah, type name of that as well. Yeah, it's not nice type name. Good. Actually, this helps also for cross-platform because these things would need to be fixed anyway if we wanted to target other compiler. MSVC was historically a bit more lax on the type name thingy, but other compilers were not. Yeah, so I think I mean, this would have to be fixed anyway, soonish. Yeah. Tunnel tracker. Oof, stop it. Can produce upgrades. Yeah. Okay, these errors here are very thankful. That's much appreciated. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, what is this? Let's compile freshly first. There we go. Cannot convert. That seems to be a const thingy again, no? Argument 3. Where's the third argument? Oh, file line. I see. I see. Const extern const and const. There we go. Still errors. Oh, maybe these are other ones. Yeah. Consts. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Right. The monkey work is strong with us today. Yeah, there's more. Look at that. Another one. Man, so many random values here. There we go. Let's go to the next. What is this? Cannot convert from const char to char. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, so far so good. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting some big compilation here. That's good. Riva definition. Huh? Oh. Huh? Oh, there's a declaration of this somewhere. There we go. I see. Const. There we go. All right. So, error. What's the time? I would like to take a break now. Yeah, take a break, and then afterwards we continue with this monkey effort. Yeah. All right, have a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye. Actually, let me check here one more. No one picked up on that yet. Okay, that's fine. Good.